Hi everyone, and welcome back to Awesome English. This is level 1, lesson 10. Wow, we are on lesson number 10. And today, I'm excited. Or am I sad? Or am I angry? I don't know. Today we are going to learn about feelings, about emotions. How does someone feel? How do you feel? How do I feel? We're going to practice some of these emotions and then we'll talk about it. Are you ready? I am. So let's get started with our first feeling. Cool. She's playing a game. She's playing a game. Oh, yeah, she's not good at the game. She's angry. She is angry. She is angry. I get angry sometimes. She is really angry. Are you angry? Is she angry? Yes, she is. She's terrible at playing the game. Are you angry? Am I angry? No, I'm not angry. Are you angry? Feelings. How does she feel? She feels angry. How is she? She's angry. She's angry. Are you angry? Leave me a sentence. Tell me how you feel. Let's try number 2. Grab my notebook. Oh. How is he? How is he? He is, see that? How is he? He is happy. He is happy. I am happy. Are you happy? I think you are. This is a happy video. He is happy. What does he do? He smiles. He smiles, right? How is he? He is happy. He smiles. Okay. I am happy too, but I don't smile. I'm happy. Are you happy? Tell me, how do you feel? Let's practice these together. So he is happy. Is he angry? No. He is happy. Awesome. Let's try number 3. Oh. That's nice, right? He gave her a present and she is, for me, she is excited. Excited. She's happy? Yes. But it's more happy. More happy. I'm happy. She is, wow. She is excited. She's, oh, this is awesome. So awesome. She is excited. Am I excited? No. I am happy and I am not angry. Is she happy? Yeah. Happy and excited. Are they the same? No. Happy, excited. Ooh. But they're still good. So, is she happy? Yes, she is. She is excited. Yeah. Is she angry? No. No, she isn't. She is excited. Feelings are fun. Except for this one. How does he feel? He feels sick. Sick. Oh, I don't feel good. He is sick. Ew. Look at him. He has a blanket and a tissue. Right? How does he feel? He feels sick. Is he happy? No, he is not happy. He feels bad. He feels sick. I don't feel sick. I feel good. I am happy. Yeah, but he is not happy. He feels sick. His stomach, his stomach hurts. Or, my head hurts. He feels sick. I don't want to be sick. I want to be good. And I am not sick. I hope you aren't sick either. Let's look at the next one. I couldn't find a video that I wanted to use, but this is kind of perfect. How does he feel? He feels scared. Scared. He is scared. He's running away. No! Get away! Ha! He is scared. He is scared of something. Maybe a monster. Maybe an angry wife. I don't know. But he is scared. Is he happy? No. Is he angry? No. Is he excited? A little, but in a bad way. He's scared. He is really scared. He is running away. He is running for his life. Don't eat me. It's probably a clown monster. Yeah. I don't like clowns. Okay, let's look at the next one. He. This is a good word for everyone to learn. He is confident. Confident. Look at him. Is he scared? No. He is confident. I can do it. I am great. I am amazing. Today will be awesome. I am confident. I am confident. Are you good at English? Yes, you are. You are confident at English. I am confident at English. Yeah. He is confident. I am confident at English. I am confident at driving a car. I'm good at driving a car. I am confident at reading. Yeah. What are you confident at? What are you very confident about? Tell me. Let me know. Practice this. But this man, he is very confident. He is going to have an awesome day. He is going to do great. Yeah. Confident. That is awesome. Let's look at the next one. How does she feel? How does she feel? She feels confused, right? She feels confused. She doesn't know. She doesn't understand. She is confused, right? Hello, ma'am. What is 2 plus 2? She doesn't know. She's confused. Can you fly an airplane? Confused. I am confused sometimes when someone speaks to me in a different language and, what is this? Lots of times I read comments from my students and it's in a different language and Are they happy? Are they mad? I don't know. I'm confused. I am confused about what it says. When are you confused? I am confused. She is confused. We are confused. Remember, plural. I am, he is, she is, it is, we are, they are. Okay? Plural, single. And let's do the last one. How is he? He is bored. He's bored, right? He's not tired. He's not sleepy. He's not happy. He's not angry. He's just bored. Yeah. He is bored. Bored. I get bored all the time. I'm very busy, but I still get bored sometimes when I'm doing things that I don't want to do, when I'm writing or when I have to call somebody. Things like this. I am bored. It's not fun. He is bored. But right now, I am not bored. I am happy. Are you bored? I hope not. I don't want you to be bored. I hope you're happy. I hope you're having fun. And I hope that this lesson was great for you. I want you to be confident in using emotions and feelings in a sentence. How are you today? Oh, I'm excited about going to the park. I am afraid of that. Oh, we didn't use afraid. I am scared. Afraid and scared, they're the same. I am scared of that clown over there. Or, I am happy. What do you want to do today? I'm bored. Let's do something fun. Something exciting. What do you want to do today? Tell me, how do you feel? What would make you feel excited? Practice writing these answers down in the comments so that I can check them and tell you how awesome you are. Be confident. Don't be scared. Yeah. I'll see you next time. Bye.